Hello friends, welcome back to our WeeklyTools channel. Today, we are diving deep into the 2025 LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite OBD2 scanner, the latest and greatest from Launch Tech. Is it worth the hype? Should you upgrade? We'll cover all the features, pros, cons, and real-world testing. Let's get started. First, let's unbox this thing. Inside, we have got the X431 PRO Elite scanner itself. Looks sleek. A 16-pin OBD2 cable, a USB-C charging cable, and some documentation. Right away, I'm impressed by the 8-inch touchscreen. Super responsive and bright. The build feels premium with a rubberized grip. It's definitely a step up from older models. Now, let's talk features. The 2025 PRO Elite boasts full system diagnostics, engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more. Advanced ECU, coding and programming, wireless VCI, no more cables cluttering your workspace, 30 reset functions, oil reset, EPB, SAS, battery matching, you name it, fast scans with real-time data graphing, free lifetime updates, a huge plus, and multi-language support. One of the biggest upgrades, the new 25 software is blazing fast, scans complete in seconds, and the menu is super intuitive. I tested this on both older and brand new cars, and it read every module flawlessly. Even on a 2025 BMW, it pulled codes, live data, and even did a DPF region without breaking a sweat. Plus, the bidirectional control lets you actuate components like fuel pumps or injectors, super useful for diagnostics. Here are some pros and cons. Now, the pros. Extensive coverage. No subscription fees, super fast and reliable. But the cons, high price, steep learning curve, bulkier. So who should buy this? If you are a mechanic, technician, or a hardcore car enthusiast who needs pro-level diagnostics, this is a fantastic investment. But if you just need a basic code reader, something cheaper might suffice. Final verdict: the 2025 LAUNCH X431 PRO Elite is a powerhouse, fast, reliable, and packed with features. If you need top-tier diagnostics, this is worth every penny. Have you tried this scanner? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.